Hello friends, I am Ashwini Marathe. We are talking about reading for Yashovani. I hope you have watched our first video which shows how to record the beginning and the end of any voice file. In this video, we are going to tackle the topic of fumbles, mistakes, and unwanted sounds, noises, and hums. What are fumbles? Fumbles are when you mispronounce a word. A mistake is when you read something wrong, whereas you should have read something else. An unwanted sound is maybe a phone ring, maybe the buzz of an SMS because we didn't remember to keep our phone on silent. There are other sounds in nature outside around us which make sudden unwanted noises which can be disturbing in our recording. What is a hum? A hum is a constant noise in the background of our recording. It could be because of your cell phone charging while you record, that produces a hum. It could be the fan, the air conditioner, maybe some construction work going on in the background. All that creates a noise which is very disturbing to the student because it interferes with the matter that they are trying to listen to. We try our best to avoid fumbles and mistakes, yet they are inevitable. All these things, when they appear in the recording, before they go to the student, the file has to be edited. For the editor to know that there is some kind of a mistake or a fumble or some strange sound which ought to be eliminated, you as the reader have to signal it somehow. How do you signal it? There is a particular visual signal that you can give to the editor so that when they see your recording on their software, they can clearly see the places where editing is required. It makes the job of the editor absolutely simple. How do we do this? For that, let us watch a little demo. Let me tell you the method we are going to use to show, to indicate all these things. A simple thing is leave 3 seconds of gap before and after our signal. The editor sees it as a single horizontal line and then knows that there is something different there. So leave 3 seconds of silence, then make a sharp sound repeatedly but with spacing. For example, claps. So I leave 3 seconds of silence. So you see, the editor will see a line, then 5 or 6 vertical lines, and again a horizontal space. This part shows the editor that this is the place that there is a fumble or an unwanted sound that the editor has to remove. Instead of claps, you can use finger clicks. This is another way. Another way, which is my favorite, is this kind of a sound. But don't do what I just did. Don't make them very rapid. So instead of this, you should do so. You need to space them out. Otherwise, you cannot distinguish between your speech and the signal that there is a fumble. Let's see how this looks on my software when I edit it. You will appreciate all my instructions only when you know how simple the editor's life becomes. Let us take a look. How to mark a fumble, a mistake, or some other noise. Suppose I am recording this file and there is a loud noise or I make a mistake. This is how I will go about showing it. And I resume reading. Have you noticed? Before the clicks and after them, I left some seconds of space so that the editor clearly comes to know which part has to be edited. You have to also make sure that when you resume reading, you must resume reading from the beginning of the sentence in which the error or the fumble or the noise occurred. Not from the word that went wrong, but from the beginning of that sentence. After recording this much, let me show you in normal view how the editor sees the point that you have shown so clearly. I'm going to zoom out on this file. Do you see how clearly this part from here to here? Do you see how clearly this part is distinguishable from the rest of the speech that you have recorded? This is an excellent example of how to show your fumble or the mistake in a very clear manner so that the editor has no issues looking for it. I do hope you like this video and find it useful. Please watch the first video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon because that is going to ensure that you get an intimation every time a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.